Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you Langdy Digital Kitchen Scale. Oh yeah, it is an electronic scale. It is able to weigh up to 15 kilograms with full mirror glass design, liquid measurement option, high precision up to 1 gram, Tare function. It is a full mirror glass design and a multi-unit. This Langdy Digital Kitchen Scale can quickly convert units from kilogram to, oh yeah, lb, pound, or to, gram and milliliter. The milliliter function includes the measuring modes, water and milk volume. There are two different colors of the LCD display, white and red. The color selection is random, and in this case I became the red one, not the white one. That means if you buy this scale, it is a little bit of gambling. But it's not hard to gamble in this case, because white is okay and red is okay too. Oh, isn't it? You have a precision measurement, high load capacity up to 15 kilograms with accuracy of 1 gram. Perfect for measuring liquids, weighing smaller items, baking components and parchment food. It prevents the fails touch. The button is located on the side, right in front of the device to prevent data from becoming insurance during waiting to or need to remeasure the data. The Tare function and the automatic shut-off option is easy. The precision Tare function automatically subtract the container weight, while the backlight remains on for 1 minute. This is enough. After this, it will go down in the off mode automatically. And it's so easy to clean. The digital scale is equipped with a full mirror glass. That means you can use this scale for a mirror. It is a portable mirror to make your eyes linings back and your beauty things with this scale in the hand, outside and indoor. This is really awesome. It is really a mirror. Really nice. And of course it is a scale too. Yeah, it's a mirror with a scale function, or it is a kitchen scale with a mirror function, as you like. It is glass. And it is smooth glass, and it has a nice surface, and it is resistant. You can clean it with a cloth, with water, with everything you like, and then you can continue using your kitchen scale. The surface is resistant against stains and aromas, and it's so easy to clean. And you have so much function in it. If you use the right button, you can use the Tare function, the on and off function. Push the right button for approximately 3 seconds and the scale will shut off automatically, or it will shut off automatically after 1 minute, then without using it, of course. And the left button has some functions like the unit button. That means you have multiple measurements. You can easily choose kilogram, that, lb, that gram, milliliters water and milliliters of milk. And if you are changing the mode to the milliliters, etc., it is easy too. Only thing you have to do is, on the left side, click and hold the button for approximately 3 seconds. Then it will change to the liquid measurement. Okay, it is really easy to use, really. And full mirror glass design, easy to clean. This is really good. It is for food, for baking, for liquids, for coffee, tea, and of course for package up to 15 kilogram. The measurements are up 24 centimeters to 19 centimeters, and the thickness is only 2 centimeters. That means you have a medium range kitchen scale with a mirror option, and you can use the mirror kitchen scale for all what you need is kilogram, oz, pound, etc. And you can switch between the setups of the measurements with a left key, and the right key is the Tare function. That means if you are going to scale one, put the ingredients in the container and reserve the net weight reading. Then step number 2 is put the container bowl on the scale. Number 3 is reset the weight to O by touching the Tare button. And after this, it is in the screen there is an O, a 0. That means you have Tare the weight of the container. After this, put the ingredients into the container, and then you can read the weight. Easy, isn't it? It's really easy. And it will help me for some delicious videos for you, which are coming up every Sunday. And I like it to make some delicious videos with fast food, for example. And in these videos, I'm using a kitchen scale to take the weight of this product. And this is my new kitchen scale. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.